There's a version of you the world has never seen. Your story, what you've been through.
There's a version of you in the quiet,
what you've survived.
in the space you don't show.
Because beneath the pain,
Back of your heart,
beneath the waiting, beneath everything you've survived is a force, powerful, resilient, unbreakable.
life you hold back.
And what you still dream about, it matters more than you think.
Every day,
Most people spend their whole lives waiting to be chosen, waiting to be cast,
you called it fine, but something deep
waiting for someone else to decide if their story is worth telling.
buried, breaking through. Yeah,
But what if you didn't have to wait?
no more silence.
What if you could create every version of yourself you've ever imagined? Every role, every story,
Step into it, tell the truth.
every moment that shaped you.
Cuts into
No casting calls, no gatekeepers, no one else deciding how you look or how you're going to be remembered.
every scar you hit, every line.
You're not just performing anymore. You're creating, you're directing, you're building something that's yours. You do not need their permission to exist on screen. You do not need their permission to tell your story. The power is in your hands. You are the creator. You are the storyteller. You are the star.
Something coming. No more hiding, no excuse. This is power breaking through. All of the silence turns to truth. Don't turn away. This is the moment. This is the phrase. Step into it. Say the name. You were never meant to stay the same. This is the version breaking through. Can run you. Everything leads right here to you. All of the silence turned into truth.
I feel the shift. Something is happening. Show me. I'm ready.
There's a version of you. It's already you.